Sit down with me. Sit down with me. Sit down with me. I'll do it gladly. I'll do it gladly. I'll do it gladly. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? How sad. How sad. How sad. I don't drink much beer. I don't drink much beer. I don't drink much beer. Do you want to eat anything? Do you want to eat anything? Do you want to eat anything? Are you alone? Are you alone? Are you alone? That didn't work. That didn't work. That didn't work. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. I like my life. I like my life. I like my life. What are you looking for? 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 Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told you that? I'm going to go. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you found it? Have you found it? Have you found it? Have you found it? What time does the train get here? 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 He has no children. He has no children. He has no children. I'm in Canada. I'm in Canada. I'm in Canada. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Do you have enough time? Do you have enough time? Do you have enough time? What are you reading? What are you reading? What are you reading? I'm reading a newspaper. I'm reading a newspaper. I'm reading a newspaper. He knows exactly what he wants. He knows exactly what he wants. He knows exactly what he wants. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? I'll do it right now. I'll do it right now. I'll do it right now. He often comes late. He often comes late. He often comes late. Can he do this job? Can he do this job? Can he do this job? She knows what you did. She knows what you did. She knows what you did. I know a lot about you. I know a lot about you. I know a lot about you. He has enough money. He has enough money. He has enough money. I like living here. I like living here. I like living here. Does he have many books? Does he have many books? Does he have many books? Do you do that often? Do you do that often? Do you do that often? I know who you are. I know who you are. I know who you are. Will you open the door? Will you open the door? Will you open the door? He can't speak English. He can't speak English. He can't speak English. You make me happy. You make me happy. You make me happy. I need water. I need water. I need water. I love dogs. I love dogs. I love dogs. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. Give up smoking. Give up smoking. Give up smoking. Do you need a break? Do you need a break? Do you need a break? The house belongs to him. The house belongs to him. The house belongs to him. I have to go to the doctor today. I have to go to the doctor today. I have to go to the doctor today. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? I like your car. I like your car. I like your car. Does it rain there very often? Does it rain there very often? Does it rain there very often? I know her well. I know her well. I know her well. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. We have a plan. We have a plan. We have a plan. Are these yours? Are these yours? Are these yours? He was very old. He was very old. He was very old. I just got home. I just got home. I just got home. I'll go at 10. I'll go at 10. I'll go at 10. They are afraid of death. They are afraid of death. They are afraid of death. How do you say that? How do you say that? How do you say that? Do you need this book? Do you need this book? Do you need this book? Do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this? I never drink. I never drink. I never drink. I was really scared. I was really scared. I was really scared. Do you love each other very much? Do you love each other very much? Do you love each other very much? There was nobody there. There was nobody there. There was nobody there. He bought a car. He bought a car. He bought a car.